How to fix Xbox error code 0x801901a5 problem. To do this, go to the search section and open PowerShell as admin. There are two codes we need to type in PowerShell. You can copy these codes from the video description below and paste them into PowerShell. After typing the first code, press enter. Then type the second one and press enter again. The first code removes packages and the second code reinstalls them. The red text we see appears because some packages we are trying to download are already installed on our computer. After downloading the packages, close PowerShell and restart computer. After restarting your computer, you can check if the Xbox error code 0x801901a5 problem is solved or not.